How to add a wishlist feature in WooCommerce. First, go to Plugins and add the YTH Wishlist plugin. On the plugin general setting, enable Ajax loading and save changes. Visit a product page. The wishlist feature has been added. How about on the shop page? Let's take a look at that. First, let's fix the wishlist page. Change the page layout template of the wishlist page. Now, let's add the wishlist feature on the archive pages. Go to the Plugin Wishlist Options tab. On the loop setting, enable the Add to Wishlist in the loop. First, let's try the After Add to Cart option. Save changes. As you can see, the button has been added below each item. I want to add the wishlist to the menu, but first, let's try adding the button on top of the image. Now our product items have a heart icon, which is our Add to Wishlist button. Finally, let's add it to the navigation menu. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.